I'm gonna see how well this thing does at open boxes. Oh, pretty good. Yeah, I'm completely out of frame. I'm using my like top-down setup to record this, and this box is huge, and this product is huge. So I'm starting small. I'm starting with the Silhouette Portrait 3. I was gonna get the 4, the newest one that came out, but I didn't see a lot of reviews on it. Everyone was still working with 3, and the 3 was on sale, so I definitely went with it. Boom, we in the frame. Okay, let me get this big old thing out. Ooh, it's actually not heavy for the size, and I'm shaking everything, so excuse that. Silhouette, look at that. And boom, Silhouette, oh my gosh, the sounds. Silhouette 3, see the back. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got some cables in here. Are these my mats? I know my mat's not bent. I know y'all didn't bend my mats. These are my mats. They look like they're pretty flat. They must be pretty durable mats if you can bend them like that and they're still good. Okay. So I end up buying these extra ones. Light Tack one, I got this for the stickers, and then I wanted to use I want to test out their pick scan, and then this is the mat that comes with it. Now this one, hold on now, this one's bent. This one ain't it. Why y'all putting mats in here bent? Look at this. Look at this curvature. Okay, now this is gonna be a struggle. Here we go. This thing is actually way smaller than the box. It's so light. Oh my gosh. Now we're in frame. That's what I'm talking about. This thing is tiny. Oh my gosh. Going from the Cricut Maker sitting on my desk to this is hilarious. But just their software, like I was using their software while waiting for this. Well, and also before I ordered it, and I was like, oh my gosh, they have the best software. You have to figure it out, but it wasn't really that hard for me to get it. Okay, this thing is so light, it's crazy. Okay, so boom, here we go. Got some tape on here. So this is what it comes with. A slightly bent mat, the power cord, get into the bag, instructions of course, toss that away. Then we got the connection cable from the machine to USB, and then we have the blade. It's supposed to be an automatic one because don't nobody have time for manual. I think this is if you have a manual one. I don't remember. I shouldn't have to use that, hopefully. And then this is supposed to be an insert for pins. So yes, hopefully I get to use that. Oh my god, this is like, it's a little cheap, really thin. I don't know about this. Look at that, like if you press too hard. So the next thing is for me to see how well this thing actually cuts. So first thing we're gonna, because I've already seen people complain about this not going right, and then I've seen the solution. People, they said that they didn't push it in all the way, so let me hope I do that. You have to pull this out, it locks in there, make sure that goes all the way down, then push that until you see the blue dot, which I see, and then it's supposed to be no gap going on. That's, from what I heard, is the issue. People be having gaps so that it doesn't cut right. So this is the automatic one, so I shouldn't have to do nothing with it. I should do it all by itself. Oh gosh. And another thing I heard is that this machine is really loud, or just the brand in general, all their machines is really loud. That it can fit 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, which is the size of printer paper. So yes, it should be able to work with my sticker paper. So these are the little pieces I got. It has 3M tape on the back. You're supposed to stick it here, and then it will, you don't have to do all the extra alignment, hopefully. We'll see though.